Have you ever looked up at the sky and wondered how all those planes stay safe? Well, with over 10,000 in the air at once, it's all thanks to air traffic control.
So, let's break down how this system guides a plane safely from point A to B.
Okay, it all starts with one plane, flying at up to 900 kilometers an hour. Pilots can't always see other aircraft, so they need guidance from the ground. The first piece of the puzzle? The radar detection station, that big rotating dish. It shoots out radio waves. When they hit a plane, they bounce right back. This tracks a plane's exact spot, speed, and heading, updating multiple times a second. That data gets sent straight to the computer tracking system. This turns all that raw data into a live map of every aircraft in the area. It's smart, too. It predicts flight paths and warns controllers of any potential dangers. And all this info flows directly into the control tower and the control room. Inside, controllers watch the screens and talk directly with pilots over the radio. It's an intense job. They have to make fast, perfect decisions with zero room for error. Now, once a plane is cleared to land, the final system takes over. This is the runway and landing guidance system, which uses super bright lights. A huge part of this is the Instrument Landing System, or ILS. It uses radio beams to guide the plane down perfectly, even with zero visibility. So let's quickly recap how all these incredible pieces fit together. From radar to runway, these systems all work in sync to keep our skies incredibly safe.